What's up, guys? Oh, this is Envy Meta back with a vlog. Well, I've been calling my videos vlogs, but this is a real vlog. And we're going to Sam's Club, not the water park, the store. And I'm with. And my mom is here, and I'm in a BMW. You can see, and there's police out there. And my mom's friend is driving his car, his BMW. So we will be at Sam's Club, and that vlog, it's just gonna be like a random vlog and nothing else. We're just gonna have fun at Sam's Club and do some crazy things. So we'll come back. I am back at Sam's Club. Yes. Up here under the tree. Ooh, this is a tree on the planet. Very odd to show you how I got my new haircut. So I'll come back. We're in Sam's Club right now, and we'll come back inside Sam's Club. Hey guys, look where I am. So right now we're in Sam's Club. Some TVs down here, and it looks really boxy. Is that the OLED TV? Oh my god, there's a giant flamingo down there. You see it? Yes. A giant flamingo. $150 flamingo. I watched this video about like, phones. Oh, okay. Hey, what is this? Oh, come back. Hey, I'm back. I'm swinging right now. Woo! I'm swinging. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm swinging. Woo! I'm swinging. Oh yeah. Nothing stopped me. I'm swinging. Okay. Oh god. That was a good swing. Okay. I'm back. See what you done for? Oh my god, there's somebody right there. Okay, the funny thing just happened to me. Before I talk about that, look how big these are! Oh my gosh, so heavy! Whoa, okay. So this is the funny thing. I thought I was vlogging. I thought I was vlogging, but I actually didn't. Right now, I'm in the laundry detergent aisle. Some laundry detergent, and I'm gonna put it back where I found it because that's nice. And gotta run. So I was talking about it. It's my first ever vlog. Bro, we should make a toilet paper fort. So I'm gonna do that right now. How am I gonna do that? I'll do it right here. Nope, those are too big. This is my fort. This is my good fort. Peace fort. Okay. This is my fort. So, you tour. That's my fort. That's my chair I sit in. Because you always need a chair. Yeah. I need to come back. And I think I just lost my pants. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay, they're right there. Look at his back. Oh my god, that's a big mattress. Is that a king size mattress? Oh my god, this is so fun. I'm in this. Right now, see? Okay. What are you looking for? Okay. Mine McDonald's. Okay, just and I was like, this is hello, my name is McDonald's. I'll put those something on there. Hello, my name is McDonald. Oh, that's the fire door. And this is a big thing. Oh my god. Oh, Power Flex. Let me try this. Oh, I'm not gonna do that. Okay. So we're in somewhere right now. This is so big. You see that? Bro. This is so big. This is Power Flex. More Power Flex. Oh, some new cancels. Wait, some new cancels. Okay. Bro, look how big these cards are. Oh my god. 2 people can fit in here. They're so big. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Okay. So this girl right here. See that girl right there? Right there, she's doing some samples for her. Oh my god. Look how big these Cheez-Its are. See how big these are? Oh my god. So, matter of fact, I got a free sample of Cheez-Its. This is gonna be my reaction of these new Cheez-Its. So I'm gonna put my phone right here. And these are from this box, but this I showed the girl and those are the Cheez-Its. So I'm gonna get a reaction. I have been eating cheese before, but not the best, so they're good. You should buy these. But these are big. Okay. So how are you feeling? It's good. Okay.
Dip करी जाऊँ
I'm dripping something. Oh, oh. The dip. Dip. The dip is so cold.
Ala, so try करी
What's this?
chicken.
Oh,
Yeah.
chicken. Good. Good chicken. Good chicken. Good.
Like it?
Good chicken. No pizza. They ran out. Ah. Wait, right now. Okay. So there's 2 sample people, right? They're both girls, and one of us talking to the other one, and they're like, it's talking, and the other girl's like, And so this is a good vlog. I don't know why. So yeah, some Red Bull. And this is something that I do not want to go in. Yes, I do not want to go in there. The brawlers, look. There's like a laser thing in it's like when you walk in like this, it detects you. Bro, I'm gonna do that. Bro, I'm doing it right now. Bro, I'm in it right now. Bro, so cool. There's more stuff. Bro, oh my god. Okay, see this. Oh my god. You see that? Oh my god. That person's trying to get me. Oh my god. That was so crazy. And clickbait did not work. Sucks. Okay, let's see what's here. Some watermelons and some chicken that I do not eat. Yes. What is that? What is that? Potato chip. the next fish? Can I take this? Okay. So I think I just got fish. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna eat right now. So this is how the fish looks like.
કેવી ફિશ ખાઈ છે આ તું?
I have no idea.
You wanna eat?
I'll try.
નાનો બાઈટ ટ્રાય કરજે. મૂકી દે.
Oh. Not good fish. Not good. Oh my god. It is horrible. Like spicy. Is it, you know those like Fritos, like those cone shaped chips? It tastes like that, but it's like more sharp. Oh my god, that fish was so bad. Oh. Okay. I'm trying all the samples right now. You want to see? Okay, I've been trying all the samples. And will you meet my new friend? Okay. My garbage. And these 5 no friends. Twerk, twerk, twirly, lila, twerkly, gleekly. Oh my god, this is $130 to that thing. It's silver one. Oh my god, what is that? I don't know what it is. Bananas. And so yeah. Okay. Okay, I got something for you. Do you eat veggie trays? Fresh veggie trays. I like some veggies, like peppers and carrots. Yeah, I'm a picky eater, I know that. Peanut butter and water. Such a good deal. Peanut butter and water. My god. Okay. The Fruit Loops, Lucky Charms, and limited edition unicorn. Oh my god. That is so bizarre. Oh my god. Okay. That's nothing. Okay, that's nothing. My phone. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Okay. That's what I do. Okay. I put my phone right there. There's a crack here. And I thought I moved the whole thing. I was like, oh my god, bro. Okay. I'll come back. Okay, guys. After this, I'm going to end the vlog. So this will be a farting prank. Something like this. Walking out. And just make a funny noise. I'll be like, I'm sorry. Okay. Our first person. Okay. Sorry. Did you hear that? Bro, that was so creepy. Okay, one more time. Oh, that was... Bro. Oh my god. I'm farting so much. Okay. Okay. I think I'll come back. Okay guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope you like my vlog. So peace on the V Street Y.